Welcome back to the Wandering Off channel. My name is Sam, and today we're going to be talking about two of the best day trips you have to take from Bari. We're going to be starting in the fairy tale town of Monopoli, Italy. Monopoli is located on the Adriatic coast of southern Italy. It's a place where the past seamlessly merges with the present. Its name might remind you of the classic board game, but this town is far from ordinary. It's a real-life wonder waiting to be explored. With stunning coastline, Monopoli boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the region. Imagine relaxing on the golden sands surrounded by crystal clear waters and colorful fishing boats bobbing in the harbor. It's perfect setting for a rejuvenating escape. Getting lost in Monopoli's streets is a reason to go there in itself. It's always winding with a bunch of cool new things to discover at each corner. The statues and history in this town run deep, and you can tell by the architecture and the way the locals live. Explore its ancient walls and fortresses, remnants of a bygone era where the town was a strategic stronghold. The imposing castle of Charles V overlooking the sea is a testament to Monopoly's past as a maritime power. Dating back to the Roman era, this town has been inhabited since antiquity, evidenced by the archaeological treasures scattered throughout its cobblestone streets. Over the centuries, Monopoli has thrived under various rulers, including Byzantines, Normans, and Aragonese, leaving their mark on the town's architecture and culture. Its strategic location along the Adriatic made it a pivotal trading hub, attracting merchants and explorers from across the Mediterranean. Today, remnants of this rich history can be admired in the town's churches, museums, and palaces, offering visitors a glimpse into Monopoly's storied past. Some of the most beautiful, picturesque moments we got on this 21-day Italy trip were in this town, even though we were just there for a day. It's so picturesque and filled with colors that you want to stop at every corner to take a picture. This makes it an extremely unique seaside town experience because not only do you have the beaches with the delicious food and culinary expertise that Puglia has to offer, but you also can just get lost in the streets and the small little corridors, and you'll be left wondering how the time has flown by so fast. Pair this with fun-loving locals and you have it all. For our second day trip, we're taking you to the beautiful Ostuni, Italy, a town famously known as La Città Bianca. With its dashing whitewashed buildings set against the azure skies of southern Italy, this town has everything you'd want in a day trip. It's a gem nestled atop a hill overlooking the Adriatic Sea. Its mesmerized white architecture is not just for show, it's a symbol of the town's ancient roots. Dating back to the Bronze Age, Ostuni has been inhabited by various civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, Normans, each leaving behind layers of its history waiting to be explored. But surprisingly, Ostuni's roots date back to the Stone Age. It's been inhabited since the Paleolithic period and was later settled by the Messapians, an ancient Italic tribe. The Museum of Pre-Classic Civilizations of the Southern Mercia houses artifacts from the region's prehistoric past, including a famous skeleton of Delia, a pregnant woman from the Paleolithic era. Step into Ostuni's labyrinth streets where every turn reveals a new surprise. Lose yourself in the maze of narrow alleys adorned with vibrant flowers and traditional craft shops. The town's unique layout, designed to confuse invaders in the medieval time, now invites curious travelers to uncover its secrets. Its crown jewel is its stunning Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, the magnificent 15th century church that showcases Ostuni's blend of Gothic, Romanesque, and Renaissance architecture. And of course, one of me and Alex's favorite things to do in Ostuni was to find one of the beautiful restaurants overlooking that gorgeous view from the top of the city.
So we are in a restaurant in Ostuni.
The Città Bianca.
Yes.
And Alex is having something delicious.
So it's basically just prosciutto and cantaloupe, but my nonni used to make it all the time and I saw it on the menu, so I had to. And I'll be honest, I think this is the best cantaloupe of my life. It's so freaking sweet. Here in the middle, we have mini panzerotti, which is kind of like, I think it's like tomato sauce with cheese inside. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. It tastes very familiar.
I'm sure you guys can guess what it is. I'm sure you guys can guess.
Yeah.
It's almost as though I could put it in my pocket.
And it tastes like a pizza. No, I honestly like a gourmet pizza pocket. And then Sam, what do you have over there?
Eggplant parmigiano.
Nice. That I think is the tastiest looking eggplant parmesan in my life.
It looks delicious.
Yeah. Ooh, it just keeps going. How was it?
Absolutely incredible. So you know that cheese pull you saw the first time? My admiration for this dish is as long as that cheese pull was.
Ostuni offers breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea and the surrounding countryside. On a clear day, you can see Albania across the sea. The countryside around Ostuni is filled with ancient olive groves. Some of the olive trees are over thousands of years old, producing some of Italy's finest olive oil.
Okay, so for dessert, we got the torta ricotta. So it's a ricotta pie, and it looks like it's with chocolate chips in it. I'm not sure. Sam, do you want to take the first bite?
Yes, I would absolutely love to. Grazie.
Grazie.
Oh, look at that. Soft material. It looks like a cream cheese stuff.
Okay, stop moving.
Dive into that right now. No, you gotta try that.
I am.
It's so different.
Okay. Well, it's good. I had no expectations because I've never had like ricotta pie. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's so good. And it's like a soft cheesecake, but it tastes chocolatey because of the chocolate chips. The top, I mean, cheesecakes don't have like a crispy top, and the bottom is softer. And I don't think it's made of graham. Like it tastes almost like cakey, but it's so good.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
These were two of our favorite day trips that we took from Bari. We thoroughly enjoyed both Monopoli as well as Ostuni. If we missed some of the day trips, let us know in the comments below which ones are your favorites, and maybe we'll check them out next time. Subscribe so we can keep traveling the world and showing you these journeys that we love. And until next time, keep wandering, friends.